Hi guys, got a new S10 5G. Let's open this up. If the seal is gone, then take it. Wow, nice shiny in black. Let's go for it here. Got the plug. Chargers. Nice set of earphones. Nice shiny S10. You could peel this off the back. Comes in various colours, but I'm happy with black. It's got 3 cameras, including a wide-angle lens. I'll give you the details in a minute. And nice, shiny, beautiful colour. Slightly bigger than the iPhone 6s, which is what I've given up for this one. Trying to fit it on. It's got the earphones. Bit fiddly, but that's nicely packed, I guess. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Here we go. We have a jack at the bottom of the phone for the thing, and now we can switch this on. It's nice nowadays, they do give you a little bit of time with the phone. Okay, now we've got that far. We've got a SIM card tray at the top to put your SIM card, obviously. To open the SIM card, it's actually in here. Let's pull this off. Take this out. That didn't work. Let's try this one. So you put your SIM card in there. Okay, all the setup's done, and this is what the home screen looks like. Nice and bright and colourful. Light wide angle screen. It's got a very nice camera, which I will test later on. It's got all the apps. Let's have a look at the Android Play Store. As I haven't signed in, it's a brand new phone, I'll sign in and create an account. Back to the home screen. I've got this in majestic black, which is this colour, it's sort of a dark grey. It's available in these other colors.